Kayla here from mealprep.asia, and it has been a while, but I am back with my very special 100th recipe on my website mealprep.asia. This one is very special only because I love to order this whenever I eat out. So I've made it healthier, I've made it cheap, I've made it fast, I've made it nutritious. Say hello to the Asian meal prep style, healthy Maggi Goreng Tom Yum. Check it out.
Alright guys, here's what we need for the Tom Yum Maggi Goreng. We do need some extra virgin olive oil, some chili paste, Tom Yum paste, garlic and ginger. I've got my Tom Yum ingredients: lemongrass, chili padi and kaffir lime leaves, oyster sauce, some chicken breast as my protein. Also got my Asian veggies, so I've got my chai sim right here, some mushrooms, carrots, and of course instant noodles.
Alright guys, I do use instant noodles in this recipe, but the instant noodles I've used is this Coca Easy Cook noodles, only because when I looked at the ingredients list, it only has wheat flour, palm oil and salt. Short and sweet, nothing else, so I make sure that it's as natural as possible. You can do the same. Of course, we don't have Maggi Goreng all the time, but you know what? If it adds a little bit more nutritional value, I'm all for it. So if you have everything guys, let's get started.
Alright guys, so first things first, we want to heat up our extra virgin olive oil and then add in the onions, garlic and ginger. Once you have sauteed it, add in all the paste. We have the chili paste, the Tom Yum paste and also oyster sauce. Once you've done that, stir fry until it's mixed very well with the onion and the ginger and the garlic. And in the protein, I've got my chicken breast right here. This will take some time to cook, so make sure you keep stir frying so it doesn't burn. Probably about 6 to 8 minutes. Once you've done that, add in all the Tom Yum ingredients. We've got the lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and also chili padi. And then add in the carrots and mushroom. Make sure you stir fry it for about a minute or two. Before you add in all the green leafy vegetables, I do have my chai sim right here. This doesn't take very long to cook, so stir fry it. It's probably going to take a minute before all the leaves wilt. Once you've done that, add in your portion of instant noodles. I'm making this for 3 dishes, so I've got about a fist size of instant noodles for every dish. So I've added 3 fist size into this dish, as you can see. Stir it up all together, make sure it's nice and cooked through, and then you're done. It's now time to build your meals guys, so make sure you put the same equal amount of portion in every container. This recipe can make 3 meals. So once you're done that, let it cool down completely and then cover it up, and you can store this in the fridge for about 3 days. Enjoy!